Hello, my dear family members. On 29th September physical assessment, most of the candidates got rejection mail measurably for cloud, pseudocode, and MS Office. As you all know, from MS Office, total 12 numbers are allotted. So, to achieve 65 to 75% cutoff, these 12 marks means a lot. Keeping those in my mind, I have summarized all previous year MS Office questions, all off campus and all on campus MS Office questions in this video, which will be best suggestion ever for physical assessment. Now, my heartiest request to all of you, please subscribe and share this video with your friends so that they can also take help from this video. Remember, for better experience, you can watch this with 1.5x speed, but don't skip any questions, right? So the first question is, what does the formula len of I love metal will return? So as we know about the programming languages, what length return? That is total length of the letters, right? So one space is also included. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So total 12 letters or spaces are there, right? Okay, I hope you have got it. Okay, let's go to the next question. That is, which of the following functions will you use to extract the month from a date given in a cell in MS Excel? Okay, this is very easy question and the name itself suggests the answer. The answer will be month, right? This function will help you to extract the month from a date, right? So the next question is, if you want that all the numbers between the 0 and 15 range should be displayed in blue color, you should perform which of the following operations? Uh, Select the numbers in the range from 0 to 50 and color it blue. Use if function, apply conditional formatting, or all of the given option. Okay, without any delay, I am answering option D will be correct answer, because with these three we can do the same. That means we can take the numbers between 0 to 50 and make it blue, right? Okay, the next question is, consider the following table. You have used the following formula for it. Is equal to VLOOKUP G2 data match G3 months 00. And the question is, when would you use match function and what is the replacement? So the question is, the options are these, right? So match is used to match an additional element. Month, you can use index in place of match, or this. So please pause and try to give the answer, right? Actually, I have already made videos upon VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, right? So if you didn't watch that, then please go through that. I'm not extending the video time again explaining those things, right? Okay, actually the answer will be in this case option C, right? Match is used to match the VLOOKUP data with G2, and you can use index in place of match, right? Okay, I hope you have got it. If you still face any problem, then let me know. I will give you the solution or explanation, right, in the comment section. Okay, the next question is, which of the given options tells the purpose of the PowerPoint layout given below? So this is the diagram shown to you. Your question is, what is the purpose of this diagram or layout? Comparison to content, content with caption, picture with option. What will be the answer? Actually, if you use your common sense, then you can answer this, right? This will be the answer, comparison. Actually, we commonly draw this type of diagram for comparison purpose, right? Okay, the next question is, identify the view type in MS PowerPoint which will lead to the screen given below. Actually, if you normally used the PowerPoint, then you can see these three types of views present, right? Slide view, normal view, outline view, but you can't see backstage view. But this also plays a important role, right? Actually, the answer will be backstage view, right? For this, actually, the PowerPoint view look like this, right? Okay, the next question is, consider a scenario in which you have a flowchart in your slide that has different themes for the various shapes in the flowchart. Which tab will have different theme styles? Actually, this is the diagram shown to you, and the options are these: design tab, animation tab, insert tab, or drawing tab. What will be the correct option? So question is this and answer is this, right? I mean options are these. Okay, let me answer that. Answer will be option A, design tab. The name itself suggests the answer, right? Okay, I am not explaining this anymore. Next question is, consider the following lines of text. Good morning, welcome to the MS Word, and the promote and demote list item. Question is, which of the following option in MS Word is used to move the text welcome to the MS Word to one level right? Assume that the cursor is before the letter W. So without any delay, I am answering. The correct option is Shift plus V. Actually, I have made a separate video on the shortcut keys. I have included this shortcut key as well. So if you already watched that, then you can answer that, right? Okay, the next question is, what is the purpose of the icon shown in the image below? Actually, let me show you that the purpose of this image. If you go there layout section, then you will find this size, right? So actually the answer will be, for size purpose we use that, right? To change the size of the page, right? So we use this, right? Okay, the next question is, an email needs to be sent to the people mentioned in the screenshot given below. Dash 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 dash, right? So some peoples are in 2 and some peoples are in CC and some peoples are in BCC. Question is, select the incorrect statement from the given option. x1z@gmail.com can be seen as recipient by other recipients. Sorry, here x1z is not present, but this should be x1y, right? x1y, consider this, right? Okay, xyz@gmail.com can be seen as recipient by other recipient. lmn@gmail.com can be seen as recipient by other recipient, or lmo. What will be the incorrect option? Actually, option A will be incorrect. Actually, if you place someone's email address in BCC or blind carbon copy field, then that person will not be visible to other recipient, right? Okay, the next question is a quiz question for you. That Joe is working on an application project which can be used to edit text, format input pages, or prepare a report, and can also save and print the entire document. Which of the given applications is the one related with the above mentioned scenario? Data management, word processing, operating system, managing system. So what will be the correct answer? So I hope you will give the answers in the comment section, right? So the first question is, in MS Word, if you want to repeat the last action performed, then which of the following keys should be used? F1, F2, F3 or F4? If you can answer, then please give me answer in the comment section before I give answer, right? So let's cross check if you are right or not. So F4 will be the correct answer, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. That is, if you will merge all the 8 cells shown in the image, then which of the following value will remain in the merged cell? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what could be the answer? Okay, actually while we merge a cell, then the upper left value will keep remain same, right? So that means 1. So 1 will be remain in the same position. I mean, it is only value that will be there, right? Okay, the next question is, in MS Excel, merging cells will keep only dash value and discard all others. I have already told here, right? So please give me the answer in the comment section. I am waiting for your answer, right? Okay, the next question is, what does the given shape of cursor in MS Excel indicates? Actually, if you have used MS Excel once in your life, then you can answer this. Actually, let me answer that. The option D will be correct. Column resizing will be the correct answer, right? Okay, the next question is, which of the following key is used to exit from the full screen view from YouTube? From any type of software, if you made it full screen, then you want to leave it. So you have to press ESC, right? What does the given shape of cursor in MS Excel indicates? Move selected cell, enter data inside a cell, column resizing, or select a menu. What could be the answer? Please give me the answer before I give answer, right? Okay, let me answer that. It is used to move a selected cell, right? Okay, I hope you have got it. Okay, the next question is, what does the green triangle shown on the top left corner of a cell in MS Excel indicates? The answer will be option D, right? Okay, the next question is, While using paint application, if you want to fill a circle with red color in minimum time, then which of the following should be used? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7? Okay, let me answer that. Fill will be correct answer, right? This will help you to fill the circle in minimum time, right? Okay, the next question is, on which of the following tab you would click if you want to print a document? Insert, design, layout, or file? Okay, without any delay, I am answering to reduce the video time, right? Actually, you have to click on file, then click on print. It will be visible here, right? Okay, the next question is, okay, this is a quiz question for you. This is very easy question, but this is often asked, right? Easy questions are often asked to check if you know or don't. So if you have used Ctrl Z to undone something, then which of the following is used to redo it? So please give me the answer in the comment section, right? Which of the following function key is used to refresh a MS Word document? F2, F5, F9, F1. So the answer will be F5, right? So the first question is this. Consider the following path. C is to slash device slash module 1. What is the name of the file in this path? Device module 1 C. So what could be the correct answer? Please pause and give me the answer in the comment section. Okay, let me answer. Actually, the last one of the path or directory will be the file name of this, right? So module 1 will be the correct answer. Okay, the next question is this. The use of the IC in a computer has dash increased the amount of heating, reduced the size and cost of computers, reduced the peripheral devices to be used, reduced the performance capacity of the computer. So let me answer that. Actually, correct answer will be reduced the size and cost of computers, right? So IC has these advantages. Okay, let's go to the next question. This, right? A hard disk drive can be directly connected to a PC via dash SCSI interface, parallel interface, WAN interface, USB interface. So please pause and give me the answer as always. So the correct answer will be SCSI interface. Actually, SCSI is a group of protocols that send the data between computers and external devices in a physical manner, right? So SCSI interface will be the correct answer in this question, right? Okay, the next question is this. Which of the following would be the correct description for worm virus? It infects the boot sector. It propagates through the internet and email. It has no effect in increasing the internet traffic. It alerts the folder structure. So what could be the correct answer in this question? Actually, worm virus propagates through the internet and email, right? So this is the spreading medium of worm virus, right? That is internet and email. Okay, I hope you got it. So the next question is this. This could be a quiz question for you. This is an easy problem. If you used or watched the printer, then you can answer this. Akshat has created a story of 10 pages but only wants to print the first 2 pages. Which printer command should he choose? Print all, print from 1 to 2, page setup, print preview. So I hope you can answer this. Please give me the answer in the comment section, right? Okay, the next question is this. What is the speed of computer measured in nanosecond, kilosecond, gigahertz or megabytes? So what could be the correct answer? This is very common question, but it is often happen that the easy questions make us in trouble, right? So the correct answer will be gigahertz, right? The speed of computer measured in gigahertz or megahertz, right? Okay, the next question is this. Which of the following is an output device? Keyboard, mouse, light pen or VDU? So actually many of the students what they did, that is they answer this light pen, but that is not the correct answer in this case. The correct answer will be VDU, right? Okay, the next question is this. Which of the following is a structural programming technique that graphically represents the detailed steps required to solve a program? This was asked on 22nd September, right? So please pause the video and give me the answer. Object-oriented programming, pseudocode, flowchart, top-down design. What could be the correct answer? Okay, let me answer. This is actually repeatedly asked. The correct answer will be flowchart, right? So give importance to this type of question. The next question is this. What is the use of the computer port? Download the file via the internet, to connect with other devices, to reduce the internet speed, or none of the above? What should be the answer? Okay, let me answer. The correct answer will be to connect with other devices, right? So this is common and very easy question. That's why I should not think I would have to explain this further, right? So the next question is this. Which of the following command remove the paragraph formatting? Control L, copy, open, Control Q. So what could be the correct answer? Okay, without any delay, I'm answering. The correct answer will be Control plus Q. This command is used to remove the paragraph formatting. Actually, Control plus L, this is used to perform a left aligned text, right? So I hope you got the answer. So the first question is this. View is not present in PowerPoint. Please pause the video and try to give the answer in comment section. Okay, the answer will be actually slide sorter view is not present in PowerPoint. Actually, these three types of views are present in PowerPoint: slideshow, normal, and outline view, right? These views are present in PowerPoint. Okay, the next question is the space between the margin and the text is called what? Line spacing, paragraph spacing, indent, and index. What will be the answer? Okay, let me answer that. The answer is actually indent, right? Actually, indent or indentation is the increase or decrease of space between the left right margin of a paragraph, right? So the answer will be indent. Okay, the next question is what is meant by document area in Microsoft Word? So I'm not reading the options. Please choose the correct option among them and give me the answer in the comment section, right? Don't forget to answer. Okay, let me answer that. Actually, the option 1 will be the correct in this case. Actually, the document area is the area where the user types the text in Word document, right? It is a blank section of a word processor. So the correct option of this question is this, right? Okay, the next question is which of the following term is related with legends in MS Excel? uh, Clip art, word art, operator, chart. I will not answer this question. This will be a quiz question for you. Please pause the video and give me the answer, right? Let's see who gives the answer first. Okay, the next question is which of the following is a valid MS Excel function? Add, minus, sum, or subtract. I hope you have operated these functions in your MS Excel, right? Okay, some of you have confused. I mean, some of you are confused because you might have not used MS Excel broadly, right? Okay, let me answer that. Actually, only valid option in this case is sum. Actually, we can subtract any two cells by just writing is equal to and cells 1 minus cell 2, and we don't have to actually define this function subtract or minus, right, or add. So the correct option in this case will be sum, right? Okay, the next question is in cut paste operation of MS Word, a text can be cut and paste exactly once, or a text can be cut and paste multiple times, or a text can't be cut if a background color is set. A text can't be cut if its length is more than 128 characters. What is the true statement among these options? Okay, I hope you have paused the video and tried to solve, right? Okay, let me answer that. The correct option in this case is option 2, right? A text can be cut and paste multiple times. Actually, whatever user cut or copy data using cut or copy command, the data is saved to clipboard, and the clipboard is a virtual holding area, and the clipboard history keeps track of the data user work with, right? So the option 2 is the correct answer in this case. Okay, the next question or the seventh question is dash is the blank space outside the printing area on a page. Margin, header, footer, or clipart? Okay, before we answer the question, I would request you to please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding Accenture on-campus preparation and Accenture cognitive assessment preparation, right? Okay, the answer will be in this case is margin, right? I'm not explaining, this is very simple questions, right? Okay, the next question is which shortcut key is used to move to the previous worksheet? I hope you have a little knowledge about shortcut keys, right? So in this case, the correct option is control page up, right? To move to the previous worksheet, right? Okay, the next question is which of the following view options in MS Word shows the contents of a document is bulleted points, right? Draft, web layout, outline, print layout. What will be the correct options in this case? Okay, I hope you have an answer in your mind. Let's check if you are right or not. Okay, so in this case, the correct option is outline view, right? Actually, the outline view also shows the outline of the document's organization, right? Okay, the next question is this. In MS PowerPoint, the shortcut Ctrl plus M helps the user to open a new blank presentation, apply bold to the selected text, select or center aligns the current selection, or to insert a new slide. What will be the answer? Okay, let me answer that. The option in this case is to insert a new slide, right? Actually, it is a presentation program used to present data and information by using text, diagrams, animation, and images and transitional effects in the form of slides, right? So the option is 4, right? Okay, the next question is when working on an MS Excel sheet to enter a formula in a cell, what should come before the formula? At the rate is equal to star or and? I will not answer this question. This is a quiz question for you. Please answer this because I have already answered this question in the previous question, right? So please answer this. Okay, the next question is in MS Word, MS PowerPoint, which key on the keyboard can be used to view can be used to view slideshow? F1, F2, F5, or F10? Okay, just without any delay, I am answering the question. The correct option is F5, right? F5 is used to view slideshow, right? Okay, then the group B, I mean the practice set 2 is started. So the first question of practice set 2 is when you open a new Excel workbook, how many worksheets are there by default at the time of opening? 1, 3, 5, or 7? Okay, I hope you have tried to open your workbook in your laptop or PC, right? Okay, let me answer that. The correct option in this case is 3. By default, a new workbook contains 3 worksheets, but you can change the number of worksheets that you want a new workbook to contain, right? So I hope you have got it. Okay, the next question is how do you save a presentation under a new file name? Select the file name and choose Save As, or select the file menu and choose Save. And when you close PowerPoint, the file will automatically be saved, or the file will automatically be saved under the new name when you change the title. What will be the answer? Okay, without any delay, I am answering because this is very easy question. Without, I mean, just select the menu and choose Save. It is actually the function of Control S, right? But this is not supposed to be done, right? So the to save the presentation under a new file name, actually to give a new file name or to insert into a new folder, right? So we have to select the file and choose Save As, right? Okay, the next question is which of the following is the correct keyboard shortcut to open Save As dialog box in MS Word? F12, Ctrl plus V, Ctrl F12, Alt, Ctrl S. What will be the correct option in this case? Okay, actually we press Ctrl S to save the current document immediately, right? And we press F12 to open the Save As dialog box to save document with a specific file name or in a new folder, right? Actually, this is the quite relevant answer of the previous one as well, right? Okay, the next question is which command is used to hold row and column titles in place so that they do not scroll when you scroll a worksheet in MS Excel 2007, right? So choose among the options given below, right? Okay, let me answer that. The option will be freeze fence command on the view menu, right? Actually, what happens in MS Excel to hold row and column titles in places so that they do not scroll when you scroll a worksheet, click the freeze fence command on the window menu and it will be okay, right? Okay, let's go to the next question, that is dash option is not available in sales rows of home tab in MS Excel 2007. So the correct answer in this case is sort, right? Sort function sorts the content of a range of array, right? You can sort values one or more columns, right? Okay, the next question is which of the following features is used to apply motion effects in between slide effects, slide exits and another enters? Okay, the answer is actually in this case will be slide transition, right? Slide transitions are the effects that occur when you move from the one slide to the next during a presentation, right? Okay, the next question of this video is this. In MS Word, which option divides a cell into several cells in a table? Merge cells, split table or auto fit? The correct option in this case is split cells, right? In Microsoft Word, you can use the split cells option to divide a cell into multiple cells, right? Okay, the next question in this case will be, guys, again I'm requesting you to please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding Accenture on campus preparation or Accenture cognitive assessment preparation, right? Link will be given in the description box. Please go through that. Okay, so the next question is which shortcut key is used to print a Word document, right? Control P, Control B, Control A, Control Shift P. So I hope you have done this in your home or in your area, right? So the answer in this case is Control P, right, to print a document. We do Control B to make a word, selected word bold, right? And Control A to select all the words in the document, right? And Control Shift plus P is used to change the fonts, right? Control Shift plus P is used to change the fonts, right? Okay, the next question in this session is which of the following shortcut key is used to paste the clipboard contents in an MS Word document? I will not answer that because this is the scenario which is already, we have been using, right? So I will not answer this. Please answer this in the comment section, right? Okay, the next question is a dash is pre-formatted container on a slide for content, text, graphics, or video in MS PowerPoint. Cascade, watermark, placeholder, or macros. Okay, let me answer that. The correct option in this case is placeholder, right? A placeholder is a pre-formatted container, right? Actually, placeholders are usually a box with text that indicates the location, font, and size of type that the user will enter, right? And they appear in a rectangular shape when you select the text option to write text, right? Okay, I hope you have a little knowledge about placeholders. Okay, the next question is which of the given options best matches the items of list 1 with the items of list 2 with reference to editing cells in a spreadsheet? Okay, just match them and give me the answer. Okay, I hope you have tried to answer. Okay, let me answer that. I actually enter moves you to the next cell down. Yes, 1 is correct with B and C plus B is actually correct with moves you to the next cell in the left. Yes, this is actually correct with this. That means 1 is corresponding to B and 2 is corresponding to D, and tab is actually corresponding to moves it to the next cell to the right. Yes, this is actually corresponding to this A. 3 is corresponding to A, and the rest is arrow key is corresponding to C. So the correct answer in this case will be option 2, right? Okay, the next question is, which among the following is not an edition of MS Word? 2010, 2016, 2007, 2000, 1900. What will be the correct answer in this case? Okay, let me answer. The option 4 is the correct option. That means 1900 edition is not available, or the edition of MS Word, right? So the first question is, the ability to combine name and addresses with a standard document is called what? Okay, without any delay, I am just quickly answering, right? So the answer will be mail merge. If you can answer, then please give me your answer in the comment box before I answer, right? Okay, the next question is, which enables us to send the same letter to different persons? Macros, template, mail merge, or none of the above? Okay, the next answer will be also mail merge. Actually, mail merge is a useful tool that allows us to produce multiple letters, labels, envelopes, name tags, and more, right? Using information stored in a list, database, or spreadsheet. Okay, the next question is, a word processor would most likely be used to do what? Keep an account of money spent, do a computer search in a media center, maintain an inventory, or type a biography. Okay, before I answer, let me explain a little that a word processor is used to manipulate a text document such as a resume or a report. We typically enter text by typing, and the software provides tools for copying, deleting, and various types of formatting, right? So in the from the following options, type of biography will be the correct answer, right? Okay, the next question is, what is gutter margin? Please read the question. Margin that is added to the left margin when printing, or margin that is added to the right margin when printing. Actually guys, this is repeatedly asked. Very important question, believe me. I have already solved this question. I mean, we have already discussed in the previous video, though I am adding this in this video because this is very important, right? So the answer of this question will be margin that is added to the binding side of page when printing, right? Okay, this will be the correct answer, right? Before I proceed to the next question, I would request you to please subscribe this channel to get such content and all on campus questions of Accenture, right? And I will provide an important link in which you will find all important images of these questions, right? So please subscribe. Okay, the next question is, which can be used for quick access to commonly used commands and toolbars? From the options, the correct option will be toolbar, right? In Word 2003, toolbar is used for quick access to commonly used commands and tools, right? Okay, the next question is, which of the following is not essential component to perform a mail merge operation? Actually, word fields. These three, that means main document, data source, merge fields, are the essential part of mail merge, but word fields is not, right? Okay, the next question is a quiz question for you. Please pause the video and try to solve the problem. When the language bar is dash, restored, hidden, minimized, or closed, it means that you do not see it on the screen, but it will be displayed that next time you start your computer. So what will be the answer? Please give me the answer in the comment section. There will be more 2 or 3 quiz questions. Please give all the answers in a single comment, right? Okay, the next question is, autocorrect was originally designed to replace dash words as you type. Short, repetitive, grammatically incorrect, misspelled, none of the above. What will be the correct answer? Okay, let me answer that. Autocorrect was originally designed to misspelled words as you type, right? So this will be correct answer, right? Okay, the next question is, home keys uses for what? Moves the cursor to the beginning of the document, moves the cursor to the beginning of the paragraph, or moves the cursor to the beginning of the screen. or this? What will be the answer? The correct option will be moves the cursor to the beginning of the line. Actually, when we type home key, then in which line we are typing, the cursor will be at the starting point, right? Okay, the next questions will be from shortcut. So all the questions were asked in previous time, that's why I included in this video, right? So please pause and try to give the answer before I answer, right? Okay, the answer will be moves the cursor one word right, right? So option A will be correct answer. Okay, the next question is end key is used to what? So the among the options, the option A will be correct answer. Moves the cursor to the end of the line, right? Okay, the next question is control plus page down is used to what? Moves the cursor one paragraph down, moves the cursor one page down, moves the cursor one line down, or one screen down. These are very important and confusional, right? So that's why they give one questions will be among them, right? So please think and give the answer. So control plus page down is used to moves the cursor one page down, right? So option B will be correct answer. So next question is a quiz question for you. Please pause the video and try to give the answer. Control plus down arrow is used for what, right? Okay, the next question is page up key is used to what? Page up key is used to move the cursor one screen up, right? Okay, the next question is control plus left arrow is used to what? This is used to move the cursor one word left at a time, right? One word left. Actually, if you used MS Word or any application of Microsoft once in your life, then you can answer these questions. But these are confusional, that's why they ask, right? Okay, the next question is page down key is used to what? Moves the cursor one line down, one page down, one screen down, one paragraph down. What will be the correct answer? Actually, the mistake is here that seeing the name page, most of the students think that the answer will be moves the cursor one page down. But this is not answer, right? Actually, the answer will be page down key is used to move the cursor one screen down. Okay, the next question is control plus page up is used to what? Is used to move the cursor one page up, right? In this case, not one screen up, right? This is confusional. Okay, the next question is a quiz question for you. Control plus up arrow is used to for what? We have already seen that control plus down arrow is used for moves the cursor one paragraph down, right? So in this case, think what will be the correct answer. Okay, the next question is control plus home is used to what? Okay, I am answering control plus home is used to actually move the cursor to the beginning of the document at the first of the document, right? So option A will be the correct answer. Okay, the next question and the last question of the video, that is control plus end is used to what? Moves the cursor to the end of the line, to the end of the document, to the end of the paragraph, or what? Okay, the answer will be moves the cursor to the end of the document. As this is doing this, control plus home is doing this, then obviously the opposite function will be done here, right? Control plus end. What happens when you select a row and press Ctrl Shift and plus at the same time in MS Excel? Just pause the video and if you can then give me the solution in the comment, right? Okay, I'm answering. The answer is a new row is added above the selected row, right? Whenever you select this Ctrl Shift and plus simultaneously, then a new row will be added above the selected row, right? So let's go to the next question, that is what is the name of the executable file of MS Word? I think I should not spend time on this question. I am just answering. The answer is winword.exe, right? So actually this is the file that is executed when you launch Microsoft Word on your computer, right? Okay, go to the next question, that is state whether the following statements are true or false. 1. In MS Word, all paragraphs can have the right alignment. Statement 2 is in MS Word, all paragraphs cannot have the same hanging position. What is the answer? I'm answering. That is, the first statement is true and the second statement is false, right? Because in MS Word, you can apply right alignment to all paragraphs if you choose to do so, right? Making the first statement is true, right? And the second statement, you can set the same hanging position for all the paragraphs if you wish, right? Then actually this statement making this false, right? So the second option should be right. Okay, let's go to the next question. Which of the following statement is correct? In order to select the group of cell in MS Excel, select a cell, hold Shift key and select the final cell. Drag the cells with mouse, select a cell, hold Shift key using arrow keys. What is the answer? The answer will be all of the above, right? This is very simple. I am not taking time in this question. Okay, let's take a quiz question. Give me the questions answer in the comment, right? Microsoft Windows is a touch user TUI, VUI or CUI or GUI. Give me your answer, whatever it will be, wrong or right, just practice, right? Give me the answer. Let's go to the next question, that is in MS Word, which is used to insert virtual text, ghost text, right, in the background of the odd content, ghost, comment, watermark or hyperlink. This is very easy, right? This is the watermark, right? I don't have to actually explain this. Though actually watermark is used to insert virtual text or images in the background of the content, typically appearing lighter and behind the main text, right? So I don't have to actually explain this because you all use Word, right? So the next question is, what is shortcut key to start spell check in MS Word? What is used to spell checking purpose, right? So the answer will be Alt plus F7, right? So this is the answer. I am not explaining more. And these are the quizzes for you. They are maybe very easier for you, but these are actually asked, right? So don't actually ignore the questions. You want to move paragraph in a Word document and paste it to different part of the same document. You would do this by the sequence of following steps. Which steps do you follow? Just give me the answer. Third quiz is to select the whole content of a document in MS Word. Which of the following is used? Very easy, but give me the output, right? Give me the answer. Which of the following is the shortcut key to open a new blank document in MS Word? So very easy, but very confusional, right? So give me the answer in the comment box, right? So the first question is, if the formula VLOOKUP 60,000 A2 is to D6 to true is applied in cell B8, what would be the outcome? I hope this image is visible to you. If not, then kindly make your resolution 1080p, right? Okay, let me clear it that the 60,000 in this formula is the value that you are looking up in the first column of the range A2 to D6, right? And A2 is to D6, it is the range of cells where the data is located, right? And 2, which specifies that you want to retrieve the value from column 2 only, right? That means the value or the output will be among these column values, right? And the true, it is actually indicating that you want an approximate match. This means that if an exact match is not found, then so either similar or closest matches. That means that the closest match of 60,000 is among them 57,892, right? And it will give the output from second column, right? So output will be Indian specific, right? So I hope you have got the answer, right? And if you still facing some problem, then let me know, right? And this is very important, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, right? You have to know that. Okay. And it was actually the B8 actually. So here the value Indian specific will be printed, right? Okay, let's go to a quiz question that is for you. And actually sharpen your brain or nurture your brain by quiz and enhance your problem solving ability, right? So in which of the following application you cannot run spell check? It's very easy question, and you should know this, right? Which of the following application you cannot run spell check? Let's read the next question, that is which of the following selection option is included in the paint, is or are included in the paint? Rectangular selection, free form selection, and circular selection. 1 and 3, 1 and 2, 1 to 3, and 2 and 3. Let me show you that. uh, it is the paint option, right? Here selection option, here rectangular selection is available, free form selection is available, but circular selection is not available, right? So one, I mean, rectangular option and free form option selection actually available, so right answer will be B, right? 1 and 2. So let's go to the next question, that is the snapping tool automatically saves your screenshots. Take the screenshots of only active windows, takes the screenshots only in rectangular format. What are the correct options? 1 2 3 or 1 2 or 2 3, like this, right? So let me show you that if you just started trying to screenshot, I mean snip your screen, then you will have a rectangular mode, right? You will have a free mode. That means you you don't only have rectangular format, right? You have free form, I mean circular or lasso form, right? And you can screenshot your full active screen, right? And you can screenshot your, I mean, when you take screenshots, then it automatically saved, right? So all the options should be right. Guys, if you think any other explanation, kindly let me know that, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. In MS Word, if you have to indent the paragraph, then which of the following shortcut key you should use? What will be the answer? Think it and give me the answer. The answer will be Alt plus M. I'm explaining. Actually, what Control plus I do in MS Word, it is the shortcut key which is used to italicize the selected text, right? And Alt plus M, this actually helps to indent the paragraph, right? And these are Alt I and Control M, that does not related to Oh, that shortcut key, right? Okay, let's go to a quiz question for you. That is, in MS Word, if you have to move the cursor one screen down, then which of the following shortcut key you should use? Only page down, or alt page down, or only down arrow key, or control down arrow key? What will you use? Just think it and give me the answer in the comment box, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. What is landscape in Word or any MS application? A font style, a paper size, a page layout, a page orientation, or none of the above? Don't waste time in such question because it is very easy. So I am just answering the question, right? So the answer will be page orientation, right? Okay, let's go to a question for you, that is, which of the following is not a font style? Bold, manuscript, italic, regular, etc. I just I just don't have to answer this, but if you just once, I mean once in a life, if you opened MS Word, then you should have answer in your mind, right? Okay, let's go to another question. That is, which of the following functions is used to create a drop-down box in selected cells? Data conditional formatting, data validation, pivot table, data to filter. The answer will be these, right? Data validation. Actually, data validation is a feature in Microsoft Excel that allows you to define certain rules and restriction for the data that can be entered into a cell or range of cells, right? It helps ensure that the data entered in a worksheet is accurate, consistent, and follows specific criteria. And among all of the common use, data validation is to create a drop down list which actually helps user to choose options very easily, right? This is our next question and the last quiz for you, and last question for this session as well. Which of these functions is used to land into a specific location of document? Snapchat, Gmail, all of the mentioned above, or Facebook? Guys, the last four questions were from 22nd July, and the first questions were from 28th, 27th, I think 28th June, right? So the first question is this. This is the table, and the question is, you have the above table of product prices. You want to find the price of the product tablet using the VLOOKUP function. Which formula is correct? Let's assume the first column as A and second column as B, right? Okay, let's go to the next question, and please solve this question and give me the answer in the comment box, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. The question is, uh, in the inventory table above, you have items listed in the first column and their quantities in the second column. You want to find the quantity of the item desk using the HLOOKUP function. Which formula would you use? Among these, please opt a answer, right? So I'm skipping. Please give me the answer, right? Okay, now what will be the answer of these questions? I'm not reading the questions and just it's expanding the time, right? Please pause the video and solve the problem, right? And here also, please pause the video and solve the problem. Give me the proper answer in the comment box all together, right? Not individually. This is question based on index match, right? Index match function. Okay, let's go to the next question. So the question is this, right? You have to actually utilize the sum function. If you have a little knowledge on Excel, then you must have the knowledge of sum function, right? So I think you have answer in your mind. Then please answer the proper option in the comment box, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. That is, the question is related to sum if function. Please answer the question. What was photo editor renamed to while using Microsoft Office 2003? Picture manager, photo editor, paint editor, photo manager. In this video, actually, I will not take many times because this is just simple MCQ type question, and this is to remember. Actually, you don't have to logically think any questions solution, right? So I will just say that I am giving you answer. Just remember this, right? So this answer will be picture manager, right? The next problem is, which of the following was the HTML editor associated with Microsoft Office until 2003? Explorer, front page, web page, yeah, Dreamweaver. Guys, the answer will be front page, right? Just remember this. Okay, let's go to the next question. Which of these functions is used to land into a specific location of a document? Table of content, hypertext, bookmark, or macro? After clicking into a link, we will go to another page or another desired position. So what is that? This is actually bookmark, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. If you need to double underline a word, how will you do that? There is a single underline option, and single underline option is visible in front of you every time in the home page, right? But double underline page is directly not available there. So what to do? I am not giving the I'm not actually giving the options because it is what you have to remember, not to be contradicted, right? So the answer is, select the text that you want to underline, then go to home and select font dialog box launcher, and then select double underline in the underline style drop down list. So if you perform these stages, then you will be able to double underline a word, right? Okay, let's go to the next problem. The block in MS Excel spreadsheet where a column and row intersect each other is called what? What small come in place of the blank, right? So the answer will be cell, right? Where the row and column intersects, this is called cell in MS Excel. Okay, let's go to the next problem. Name the computer database application that is part of MS Office suite. What is the answer? The answer is MS Access. Okay. Guys, this was asked in Accenture 2022 off-campus drive. Okay. So give importance that all of that question, those questions, right? Let's go to the next problem. Which of the given combination of file type and its extension is incorrect? It is very easy. If you used these applications, that is PowerPoint, Excel, Word, or Outlook, then you will obviously answer that the Outlook is actually incorrect. It is not dot out, right? So it will be the answer. C is the answer. Okay, let's go to the next problem. What should you do if you require pasting the same format in many places? Here I also didn't give the options because this is a certain problem that can be contradicted in your mind. So just remember the specific answer. Okay, the answer is, first of all, select the range from where you want to copy formatting. After that, go to the home tab, then go to the clipboard and then format printer. Now double click on the format printer button. From here you can paste the formatting multiple times, right? So in this way you can do this. pasting a same format in many places. Okay, let's go to the next question. Which of the following is not available in insert picture? So when we click on the insert, which type of picture is not available in Word? This is the answer is graph, right? Actually, graph cannot be inserted in MS Word, right? Let's go to the next question. How to insert a sound file in MS Word document? Guys, the answer is from insert, then object menu option, right? If you perform this in the insert button and then object menu option, then you will be able to insert a sound file into MS Word. Okay. Now I have a quiz for you. That is, you can jump to the next column by how? What is gutter margin? Margin that is added to right margin when printing, or margin that is added to the left margin when printing, or the margin that is added to the outside of the page when printing, or the margin that is added to the binding side of page when printing. Can you answer that? Okay, I am answering it. The answer is margin that is added to the binding side of the page when printing, right? Okay, go to the next question. Can we edit a macro programmatically after recording it? Yes or no? Or you don't know, or might be? Answer will be yes. Because in the macro dialog box, if you click on the name of your macro, at the right of the dialog box, you can click edit, right? So that means you can edit, right? And next question is, what is a portion of a document in which you set certain page formatting options? Page setup, section, page, or document? Can you answer this? This is very simple, I think. Most of the candidates answer this as page setup, but this is not the answer. The answer will be section, right? You can open your Word or document, you can watch it in layout section, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. It is possible to dash a data source before performing a merge, modify, sort, create, or all of the above. It is very simple, so I think you all have answered in your own, right? So the answer will be all of the above. What is default font used in MS Word documents? Calibri, Arial, Algerian, or none of the above? If you can't answer this, then guys, please do a basic course on computer in which you will be taught about basic MS Word, basic MS Excel, right? Because this is very simple. If you have ever used MS Word, then you have obviously observed that, right? So I am not answering this. And if you know, then kindly answer that in the comment box, right? Which menu or group will use if we want to change the typeface of selected text? Edit, view, format, or tools? The answer will be format. Why? Format menu is used to change typeface of a document, right? Typeface refers to a group of characters, letters, and numbers that share the same design, right? For example, Arial is a typeface and 16pt Arial bold is a font, right? So go to the next question, that is how to use format painter multiple times. By click on lock format painter icon, or by format painter cannot be used multiple times, or by double click on the format painter icon, or none of the above. And I think you have answer of these questions. The answer will be by double click on the format painter icon, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. What is computer virus? Hardware, software, bacteria, or USB? You may think that computer virus means USB, right? But this is not. The computer virus means software. Actually, a computer virus is a type of computer program that is, when executed, it replicates itself by modifying other computer programs, right? And inserting its own code, right? So this is actually the computer virus, the software. Okay, let's go to the next question. Main memory is commonly known as ROM, RAM, HDD, that means hard disk, or SSD. I will not answer this question because this is very easy. So answer yourself and give me the answer in the comment box. Whoever will give me the first comment and right comment, I will pin your comment, right? So be first and fast. Okay, let's go to the next question. What is writing? Process of copying data from memory location, or process of fetching data from input device, or process of putting data into a memory location, or none of the above? The answer will be process of putting data into a memory location, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. Which of the following is the output device? Microphone, keyboard, monitor, or all of the above? This is very basic question, and I think you have a little knowledge about that, right? The answer will be monitor, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. The motherboard consists of RAM, ROM, CPU, or all of the above? Answer will be all of the above, right? Because in motherboard everything consists. And I am giving a quiz for you, and this is very easy. So answer this. Which of the following is not a type of random access memory? DRAM, SRAM, or PROM? None of the above. I think you have guessed already, so I will not answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. What connects various components within the computer? Register, flip-flop, none of the above, or system bus? Actually, guys, the name bus refers to that which connect all thing, certain things, right? So this is actually bus. So the system bus which connects it, the name itself refers the answer, right? So the system bus is the answer. And a web browser deals with what? Internet, web surfing, or HTML, or all of the above? Answer will be all of the above, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. Which generation of computers was based on integrated circuits? First generation, second generation, third generation, or fourth generation? 30-40% of the students will answer that second generation, but the answer will be third generation, because the period of third generation was from 1965 to 1971, right? The computers of third generation used integrated circuits in place of transistors, right? A component of a circuit that allows current to pass in one direction yet block the flow of current in the other direction. Flip-flop, comparator, attenuator, or diode? Whoever are you from electronics will obviously answer this question, right? The answer will be diode. Okay, let's go to the next question. Who is Seymour Cray? Father of computer, inventor of memory devices, or inventor of supercomputer, or inventor of abacus? What? The answer will be inventor of supercomputer, right? Guys, this was asked in Accenture of Campus 2022, right? So, and not only this, but few of them also asked in 2022 and combination of 2023 and 2021. And I will request you, if you have not watched the previous one, kindly watch that, then come to watch this one, right? If you think I should upload more videos on common application and MS Office, then kindly sub request in comment box, right? I will obviously upload. Okay, let's go to the next question. It holds frequently requested data and instructions so that they are immediately available to the CPU when needed, right? It is register, it is RAM, it is bus, or it's cache. The answer will be cache, right? Cache memory is an extremely fast memory type that acts as a buffer between RAM and the CPU, right? So it holds the frequently requested data and instructions so that they are immediately available to the CPU when needed, right? So it should not be deleted, right? And the last question, again for you, answer this. What allows a computer to store data electronically? ROM, cache, bus, or RAM? So I hope this video added value to your preparation. If you found this video valuable, then please subscribe this channel and share with your friends to get the job together. All the best and thank you for today's session.